Right, so today we're going to be installing some Footwell lights by Novsite. So yeah, let's get straight into installing these. First things first, we're going to be locating the fuse box. On this specific car, the fuse box is underneath here. Some Toyotas, they're over here. Other cars like Volkswagens, they're going to be in the side compartment or sometimes underneath the glove box. But yeah, locate the fuse box because we're going to be tapping it into the fuse box, not on the cigarette or anywhere else. So put the key inside the ignition, put it one click up, put the wiper down, make sure the wiper is not turned.
Copyright music,
Copyright
yay!
music, turn it off.
We'll mute that.
Right, so once the ignition's on, we are now gonna test for live on earth. So because we're gonna check each fuse directly to make sure that when we turn the ignition off, the lights turn off with it. We don't want it where we turn the ignition off and the lights stay on because it will kill the battery power.
And this is also called a multimeter.
Yep, use this and put it on the volts. I put it at 20.
Alright, let's get started.
So just go over each fuses one by one till you find one, and just really keep turning the ignition on, off to make sure it goes off on here. We'll show you guys an example. So ground, put it anywhere on the body of the car. Put it there, wherever's the body. I'm gonna put it right there. Hold it there. This live, we hear this live. I'm gonna put it on one of the pins that's on the fuse. This is a 7.5 amp. Press it down. We've got 12 volts. We need someone to turn the ignition off. That's the fuse we're going to be using, because when the ignition was off, the power went, so it went to 0. So we're going to be going and using that fuse. So
Yeah, go on, recording.
So this is a breakout fuse. There's 2 fuses that go into one single wire. This red wire, basically what it does is it has 2 fuses that goes towards the ambient lights and towards whatever that fuse controls, which is the cigarette feed, whatever. So if that fuse was to blow, for example the cigarette light was to blow, then the ambient lights would be not working as well because the fuse is gone. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be taking that fuse out, put it in there, plug that into that. Obviously we joined it over here, plug that into that Footwell lights and test if it works. And if it works, good days, we're going to be winding it all up and then putting it to each Footwell.
Yay.
Yay. Okay.
Bro, stop struggling.
Oh, I got it. Dropped it. Right, we're going to be using 25 amp. We're going to be changing on later on. This is just for testing purposes. So we're going to be plugging the 25 amp on the back, and we're going to be plugging this 10 amp on the front. And once that's in, you're going to plug that the designated fuse location that you've chosen. So ours is going to be over here. What you're going to do is actually route this. This is going to be a bit of a fiddle. It's just trying to route wires and stuff now. Right, so that's done. Now we want to get this ground wire that we got over here, and that will basically go at any grounding point. So you can put it over here, so whichever I might put it at this 13 bolt here, or I think 12 or 11, wherever it is. Or we can put it there, but I'm not going to put it there. I'm going to put it right there because I feel like, because I've got this spade connector here, so I feel like it'll be better what goes in there. So yeah, let's get that done. Oh, just quick time. So plug this into here. Right. This one's got buttons. This gonna be a link in description. Just hold it over. Right, okay. We're gonna put it there. Turn it on. Voila! It works.
Good to go.
Perfect. Unplug. Now let's wire all this up and then we're gonna get to round these up.
Just watch the struggle of getting the ground in.
Yeah, because you have stupid weather stripping in the way. Like just look what I have to deal with. Yeah, that's it.
Always complaining this geezer. Right behind with the stripping as well.
You can hear it turn, but it's not even turning. That's it now. Bruh.
Bruh, indeed.
Bruh. Flip.
Disappointment in his face.
That's it. That's done. Now this.
Damn, interesting.
No. So that's done.
Watch the struggle, fellas.
Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate it a lot. Yay, yay.
Why is he doing thumbs up for? You haven't completed the job yet.
Bro. Right, so now we're gonna get to round these in. So
Open it up.
yeah, fling on the floor. No, don't throw rubbish on the floor. Throw them in the bin. Right. So you're gonna have
Two shorter ones and two longer
two
ones.
long ones. The long ones will go at the back and the short ones will go at the front.
Yep.
I have this, which is basically for the remote. But if you're one of them ones that just like to use, well, your Bluetooth control app, to be honest, then you wouldn't need this. You can just hide this at the back and just connect to a Bluetooth transmitter, and that'll be a better option. Well, yeah. Okay, let's get this in. I'm tired. Okay.
Go.
So one technique I use is I get one short one and one long wire, and what I do is I'm gonna route this to the center console to the other side, so at least you have the wires that's already routed to this. You don't need to worry about going underneath towards the back of the seat, going around, going through it. So yeah. So we've routed most of this. We're gonna be sticking them on now. First things first, you get some of these adhesion primer promoters, whatever the hell they are. They basically clean up the surface.
Whatever the hell they are.
So you just clean them up and then just peel off this 3M tape and then stick them on. If they do come off, just cable tie them. If not, you can get some better 3M tape that's out there. But there should be no issues with these. So yeah, first things first.
Do that.
Do that. Stinks of alcohol. Stop that.
Hey, let's get.
Give the person holding the camera. the
Cameraman
disgusting-
always deals with all of this,
rubbish.
guys.
Open it up. Clean up the surface area, which is over here. Let's see how much dirt there is from this one man's care.
It's not my car.
Damn.
That wasn't me. I promise.
Let's give it.
Let's not look at that.
Let's give it a double clean actually.
This is why you prep the surface before you put This is why you prep the surface before you put the damn lights on.
Right, all done.
Right.
So.
Damn, that is strong, that smell. Flip it.
Peel off this. Bro, that's like normal sellotape, bro. Yeah, peel off that. Give the cameraman the.
Getting all this rubbish here.
Now you wanna.
Make
It's
sure
gonna be
it's
hard
stuck.
spot. Make sure you line up level. You wanna stick it from one side first, just about there, and go all the way till the end, and then that's it.
And then you can test it to see if it's in your view as well.
Just like that. Ouch to my head.
I fully knocked him in the head. That's what it looked like. You won't really see it when you're driving. or
So
anything
Christmas
like
is
that.
coming now, so this is the Christmas time.
We wish you were, mate. No, sorry, copyright. No.
Copyright, sorry, guys. What we do here is we're gonna be tucking this wire in between the center console, and then it'll be done.
And I'm gonna bin this in the meantime, unfortunately. It's okay. It'll do. This guy's working on car. Alright, so here's the final product. It doesn't show it coming down this far on camera because the lighting is kind of bright outside, and inside as well is fairly bright, but the front looks spot on. That's the fit and finish of it. Can't really see it when you're sat in driver's seat. Same with passenger side. Lights up the footwell nicely. That's a job well done. Woohoo! That was the deadest woohoo ever. Had a bit of phlegm, that's why. Hey, why are you swearing for?
Sorry, my
Apologise to the audience, please. Sir.
I apologize for swearing.